Negative and fractional indices. So fractional indices. So this is an example. X half is a fraction. So this is a fraction indices. X3 over 2, X 10,000 over 5. So all are fractional indices. And X 4 over 4. I write 1 as 4 over 4. So in that case become a fraction as well. Um, and the negative indices. So it means x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus uh, hundreds, or as a fractions as well. Minus 100 over 7, x minus a over b. So likewise those are uh, negative indices. We know um, already this one xm times xn is xn plus n. Basically x2 times x3 is x2 plus 3 x5. So likewise we can write x half times x half is x half plus half, right? Which is x. Right? In other way you can write, see that, okay, another one, x 1/3 times x 1/3 times x 1/3. So we can write this one as x 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So x 3 over 3, which is x to the power 1. Now we can see that this is also x to the power 1. I can write x to the power 1 as x half times half. Or x to the power 1, x 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. Then how can you write x to the power n? X to the power 1 in terms of n. So x to the power 1 or x, I can write x 1 over 4 times x 1 over 4 times x 1 over 4 times x 1 over 4, which is x 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which is x 4 over 4, which is x again. Likewise, I can write in x in terms of n, 1 over n times 1 over n times dot dot and dot and 1 over n. So same way, I can write x minus 1, x minus 1 over times x minus 1 over times dot dot x minus 1 over n. Lots of indices. We did some earlier, and we'll discuss few more. A1 to n equal, you can write as a different symbol. What does this mean? For example, you can write A1 over third. You can write this has to be n. A1 over third. You can write as like this. 100, 100, 84 to the power 6, you can write 1 over 6, you can write 8 to the power, square root, 6 root 80. So this is a way of writing basically. If I expand a little bit, so if I write x 0 power x1, x2, x3, and this is x half, x1 third, x1 fourth, x1 fifth. So you can give a different symbol. X0 is x0, also we know 1, x1, x2, x3, and this is, you can write second root, third root, fourth root, fifth root, and x1 over n, nth root, like that. So the other one is, you can write a n over m, a nth m root. If I expand a little bit I can write n over m, I can write as n times 1 over m. So likewise n times 1 over m. Then a n 1 over m. This 1 over m become nth root. The other one is a to the power minus m, negative indices. We are turning to positive by writing 1 over. So example, I can write a minus 3 as a1 over 3. Likewise, another one, 2 minus 3 as, I can write 1 over 2 over 3. This is a way of changing negative indices into a positive indices. Also, we can use to turn into a positive negative as well. So if we have a to the power n, then you can write as a to the power minus n. So a to the power 3, you can bring as a to the power minus 3. 2 to the power 3, you can write as 2 to the power minus 3. So the way we want, we can adjust according to the sum. The other one is, we should know that any power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 4 to the power 0 is 1, 100 to the power 0 is 1, or x to the power, okay, m divided by n to the power 0 is 1, and we have a calculation like 2x plus y 0 to the power is, but if you see a power, then 0 power, then it is equal to, the answer is equal to 1. And then x4 divided by x4, x4 divided by x3, we know that x4 minus 3x1. Likewise, x4 divided by x4, x4 minus 4 uh, is x0. So x4 divided by 4 is x0. But we can cancel out x4 and x4 when divided by answer is 1. So this is a way of looking at it.